You know, just sitting here on my front porch with a baby, with a baby calf sleeping in my lap. Like literally, I'm holding her on my front porch. So what's really funny is the friend that actually called us to take her. Um, I had told him a couple months ago, like, oh, I just want a baby calf that I can pick up and just hold in my lap. And he was like, Brittany, you know that they're like 75 pounds when they're born, and they're not going to want you to just hold them. So I think I'm going to have to say that this was like my hold my coffee and watch this, because I picked her up and she is, oh, sorry, there's a bee coming after me. I picked her up and you can tell that this baby just like needed and wanted a mom. She's snoring. I'll try to get it so you can hear it. She's literally snoring. So I don't know if you guys can hear that on the camera or not. But she's snoring. You can see she's got a lot of dry skin on her head. But yeah, this is my hold my coffee, because I don't drink beer, and watch this moment, because I mean, I don't know how much she weighs, but she's big. I mean, she's not a puppy. But I picked her up and she's just like across my lap as far as she'll go, the rest of the way on the porch. And I'm just living my best life over here being a cow mom for this little peanut whose mama didn't want her. But it's just precious because she just clicked and with me, and I mean, maybe we've had her for an hour and a half, 2 hours now, I don't know. And you can just tell that a mom is what she needed. So, oh, I woke her up. And so this is what I wanted, but you know, thought that I was like being crazy, thinking it would never happen. And then, you know, my other cows were pretty big by the time we got them, so I definitely can't pick them up. They're like 200 pounds. But this tiny little girl, I think, like, she wanted a mom, and I wanted this baby calf experience from like the beginning of wanting a cow. So it's sweet, and I'm so in love already with baby Scarlet.